Interesting news story come across my news feed yesterday here in Midland, and I'll just read it to you. They deserve answers. Jasmine Melendez family files wrongful death lawsuit. Although an autopsy report listed Jasmine's death as an accident, her family alleges she was assaulted and that a proper investigation was not conducted. Okay, and it goes on the bottom here. The family of Jasmine, a 15-year-old who died back in October 2020, had filed a wrongful death lawsuit after they say they have not received answers about her death. Melendez, remembered as a star player in the Midland High School softball team, died just before her 16th birthday. Lots of people in town talking about this case right here. Here I did a little write-up here. I'm going to tell you what you don't know. Okay, now we're going to find out what you don't know. I don't even know if the Melendez family knows this. My Odessa investigator friend, Jeri Petty, recently died at 41 years old, and she was working on the Jasmine case, okay? And her death, I don't know if that's even had a ruling on that. So I think it was pretty suspicious, her dying at such a young age. She told me that the detective was Rosie Rodriguez, who was the same dirty cop that we know tampered with evidence, lied on police reports, and perjured herself in court in the home invasion and premeditated capital murder attempt on my life. Another law enforcement officer that she was having problems with was Texas Ranger Jeffrey Strain, and he was also assigned my case but did nothing. I was later told that he was close friends with MPD Officer April Chandler, one of the secret police who had also tampered with evidence and lied in police reports. Somebody told me they went to junior high together. They were lifelong friends, and he gets us assigned my case. It seems like these officers are the go-to dirty cops when some powerful person wants to cover up violent crimes against innocent people, regardless of the amount of evidence. She also told me that a member of Jasmine's family got a lifetime protective order, and I got a lifetime protective order, which took away my right to own guns for life when I had never had a felony. I can't protect myself, and I'm the crippled survivor of a premeditated murder attempt with criminals still breaking my home and people trying to terrorize me into selling my home. A protective order means that I was never charged with a crime. I didn't get to plead guilty or not guilty. I didn't break the law. I didn't get to stand before a jury of my peers. All due process of law is gone, and it's up to the local judge to take away my rights for life, my Second Amendment rights. Rosie Rodriguez and the ex-wife testified under oath that I was delusional in court, which is interesting because the ex-wife was earlier recorded as admitting to trying to extort around $1,800 a month from me over the crimes at my house, and if I didn't pay her, she threatened to tell everybody that I was crazy. That confession is in a YouTube video and posted in the public right now. The name of the video is called Follow the Money, right? She said it was an accident. That's what she said. Wouldn't it be interesting if this judge and or prosecutor knew about the $1 million underground homes said to have been put in for the Bushes and used for international oil show parties by wealthy people? I have a feeling that lots of people know about them. These lifetime protective orders are unheard of, and in fact, and the fact on my case is that I hadn't seen or talked to the ex-wife in a year and a half. Plus, she lived over 100 miles away, and she's alleged to be involved in the murder attempt by her former boyfriend. It had nothing to do with protection. It's my belief the only reason this was filed was to smear my name and cover up the murder attempt on my life, since it's now proven that police were under my home on the night that somebody under my home had shot me. It sure wasn't about protection. They used the court as a weapon against an innocent crime victim to cover up the violent crime that left me crippled for life. Many people don't believe this 15-year-old girl died having consensual sex, and there were rumors that the police working the case, who was Rosie Rodriguez, was doing illegal things to cover up her rape and murder. I wonder how many good people's lives have been ruined by this extremely dirty cop. If she was a good cop, then she'd be arresting officers Davis, Dickey, Chatwell, Angel, and Hale, because it's proven they were under my home on the night somebody under my home shot me. I'll be watching this one. Y'all share this story about Jasmine.